Hey everyone! Happy fall! It is officially that time of the year. I'm filming this on September 1st, and today we are decorating my entire room perfectly for fall. I could not be more excited for fall this year. Spring and summer are usually my favorite seasons, but fall this year just seems so exciting and cozy, and I'm loving it so far. So my room is still very colorful and summer, but before we start decorating, make sure to like and subscribe because it really helps support my channel and helps to grow, and so I can continue making videos like this because I think they're so much fun, and hopefully you all really enjoy them. Anyways, let me first give you a haul of the things I've purchased. So first off, I got these vine sort of things, but instead of green, they're like orange fall leaves, and these are going to be perfect to put around just different spots in my room. So the theme I'm going for in my room is like a white cream, little hints of orange, and a little bit of light pink to just tie in my room a little bit. So I got these cream colored fake flowers and then 2 vases to put them in. So this is what they're looking like. And then I got the most adorable little pink ghost, and bonus, it lights up. So whenever it's dark, this is going to look so good in my room. Then I also got these little pumpkins. I mean, look how cute these are. I don't think I'm gonna use the gray one, but still obsessed. And also these are just things that I've purchased this year. I'm definitely going to be using some stuff that I've had from previous years though. So I have some more little pumpkins. These ones are just plastic. We have orange and white. And then I also got a couple of pillowcases. I have 2 of these white ones and they're really soft. So we got these 2 right here. And then I got this one that says stay cozy. Isn't that adorable? And finally I have this little white and pink ghost one. I don't know if I have any pillows this size. Hopefully I do because I love this, especially for October and Halloween. Perfect. And then I also just have some random baskets around my room. This white one from Urban Outfitters. This like cream colored one. I got it for my friend's birthday party, but I'm pretty sure they're just from Amazon. This isn't something new I purchased, but I was gifted this for my birthday and I love this blanket so much, and it goes so great with the whole theme that I'm going for. So this is so cozy and it's going to look great on my bed. I got this candle. I love candles around my room. It smells pretty good. Here's the brand, but it's just pumpkin vanilla. Smells delicious. And look at that packaging. That is perfect. Obsessed. I cannot wait any longer, so let's start decorating. We're going to be doing is hanging up these leaves. Now I just gave them a little shower because they were quite stinky, but that's the same thing that happened to my vines. So I just put them in the bath for a bit and they're all good now and they've dried off. So let's find some places to hang these around my room. I think these are going to make a huge difference. I'm thinking this vanity area is going to be super nice. Maybe putting them around my mirror. Let's try that. See how good this looks? I'm obsessed, especially with the lights on. That is so perfect. I'm thinking let's put some around my bed frame. This is gonna look great. The leaves are looking great, but let's decorate my bed. We're putting the pillowcases on top of these pillows that I got from Five Below in like 2020. Hopefully they fit. Perfect, all done. And finally this Stay Cozy pillow over another old pillow. And of course we can't forget our little jelly cat. I love the bunnies for fall. Okay, I think we're all done with the bed and I'm obsessed with how this turned out. We have the leaves, all the different pillows, the jelly cats of course. Let me show you which ones I put on. We have this unicorn and then 3 bunnies. We have this pink kind of color, this light brown, and the white one. I've had this one since I was little. I think we should move on to my vanity area over here. Once again, we did the leaves already, but it definitely needs some more. Now let's move over to this part of my room, my dresser. I'm honestly kind of struggling to figure out what to do over here. I know I'm gonna change out the candle and probably add some little pumpkins around, but I don't really know what larger fall decoration to put over here. Maybe we should get this little ghost. Something like that, we'll figure it out. We're gonna put our pumpkin and vanilla candle right here. I had the butterfly one from Bath & Body Works here before. Honestly, I think that's all that I'm gonna really do with this for now. And again, on this side of the room, the mirror, I'm debating whether I should put these around it. I thought it would clash with the blue, but honestly, these 2 colors kind of complement each other. I don't know, I put them up and I think I'll leave them for now, but I might change my mind later, so I'm not sure yet. Another part of the room that I really have no idea what I'm going to do with is this. I have my bikini box, which is very summer, but it stores all of my swimsuits, and where else would I put them? Because I am in the water a lot, so I definitely want to keep these in a place where I can get them easily. Maybe I'll put it in my closet because I feel like it's just ruining the whole fall vibe. So we're gonna go put this in my closet. I'm going to put this basket, I think, right in the middle, and this Squishmallow. I think it's perfect for fall. I mean, look at it. It's literally a pancake. Okay, we're doing really good. The room is pretty much coming together, which is awesome. Let's switch out some books on my shelf because a lot of them are very summer. And if I'm not reading them, I might as well just bring out some fall ones. Welcome to my room. Now let's get this room tour going. Here is my first nightstand. Got some scrunchies, humidifier, some perfume, my iPad, and look how cute this little basket is. I'm obsessed. And finally down here we have some of my favorite books that I'm currently reading. So I like to keep them nice and close to my bed. And it's super easy to just sit on here and grab a book. And of course, we added a bunch of little pumpkins. Moving on to my bed. I think this is my favorite part of my room. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think that all of these pillows just tie together so well. And the jelly cat, favorite part. And also this blanket is so soft. I sleep with it literally every single night and it's just so cozy. I love it so much. And if you haven't noticed yet, we have some new posters up here. I put these up probably actually about a month ago. I got all of the photos off of Pinterest and then printed them at Walgreens. They were all 50% off. So each poster was probably between $6 to $7, which I think is a lot better than ordering them off of Amazon. And I get to pick what photos I want printed. So we have Sabrina Carpenter, some ballet, Nicole, Strawberry, Queen of Hearts, and we also have some seasonal posters. I plan on switching these out depending on the holiday. So maybe during Christmas, I'll put up some Christmas ones. I think that'd be really fun to kind of personalize it. But I have these two fall posters right in the middle. Again, these are all off of Pinterest. I have all of my favorites just in a board called Prints if you're looking for it. So hope that helps. But I really like how it adds something unique to my room and something personalized and special to me. And we got some leaves to just tie everything together. Now on my other nightstand, we just have some of my favorite shopping bags. I like to keep them because I think they're really pretty and cute. And a couple jelly cats that aren't on my bed right now. These little glass slippers me and my mom used to collect whenever I was younger. So they're really special to me, so I just have them kind of all over my room. There's 3 of them on this shelf. And of course we have some little pumpkins just all over. Down here we have my book from the Met called Inspiring Walt Disney. And I also like to put the pillows or things for my bed that I'm not using right now over here in a little basket. Hi! You're in my mirror. I actually like how this turned out more than I thought it would, but the shade of these leaves actually looks really pretty with the blue on the mirror. So the colors don't clash at all. And this is going to be perfect for some fall outfit checks and mirror selfies, all of that. And bonus, there's a little pumpkin up there. Welcome to my dresser. I didn't really change too much about this. So we have this organizer over here from Amazon. A lot of the stuff in my room is actually from Amazon. So if you're looking for something that you like in my room, there's a good chance it's probably in my storefront, which is linked down below if you want to check it out. We also have this candle from TJ Maxx. It smells so good. It's pumpkin and vanilla. And I definitely plan on adding a bunch more just around my room. So we're definitely by no means finished decorating and getting ready for fall. I'm most likely going to be adding things throughout the next couple of months. This ghost. And finally my vinyl player, again from Amazon. And I think that's pretty much it for this entire half of my room. Now over here we have my keyboard. I'm honestly not very good at using it, but I think it's fun to learn new songs and to try out new things. Once again, we added some leaves and some pumpkins. This part is definitely one of my favorites at night. Whenever I have my TV on playing Gilmore Girls, obviously, and the leaves are surrounding the TV, it just makes it feel very cozy. We got some flowers, this cute little basket with a bunny and little pumpkins in it. I think that's so adorable. And this pancake squishmallow, perfect for fall. And finally, we have made it over to my vanity. This, again, is one of my favorite parts. I feel like everything's my favorite part, but especially when these lights are turned on, it looks so good. And I know it's so basic and simple, but it really did add so much. And of course, we have some little pumpkins, more flowers. This bowl I painted myself, and we just have some pumpkins in it. That is pretty much it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you're excited for fall, comment down below this emoji. I'm definitely excited. And also comment down below your favorite season. I honestly can't even choose. I love all of them. If you enjoy videos like this, please like and subscribe because it really helps support my channel and helps it grow. And hit that notification button if you want to be the first to watch all my new videos, which come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Anyways, thank you all so much for watching. Remember to stay positive and I will see you next time. Bye!